Whether you're surfing, skiing, vlogging, or skydiving, your adventures deserve 4K clarity. These top 5 action cameras for 2025 capture every moment like never before. Let's roll. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Number 1. GoPro Hero 9 Black. The GoPro Hero 9 Black delivers premium performance with 5K video, 20MP photos, and both front and rear screens. It's waterproof, rugged, and built for creators who want pro-quality footage on the move. Pros: 5K 30 Ultra HD recording for crystal clear detail. Front display perfect for vlogging and framing shots. Hyper-smooth stabilization keeps footage silky smooth. Doubles as a webcam and supports live streaming. What users say: highly praised for versatility and quality. Many call it their go-anywhere content machine. Number 2. AKASO V50 Elite. If you want 4K 60fps video without the GoPro price tag, the AKASO V50 Elite is a fantastic pick. Voice control, electronic image stabilization, EIS, and up to 131 feet waterproof depth make it great for extreme sports. Pros: true 4K at 60 frames per second, rare at this price point. Built-in EIS for smooth motion capture. Voice control and remote make it ultra convenient. Includes accessories like multiple mounts and batteries. What users say: a fan favorite for budget-conscious adventurers. Solid image quality and tons of features packed into a compact design. Number 3. AKASO Brave 7 LE. The Brave 7 LE is a vlogger's dream, offering dual-screen design, 4K 30 FPS recording, and external mic support, perfect for storytelling in all weather conditions. Pros: 20MP photos with sharp color accuracy. Dual screens, front for selfies, rear touchscreen for control. IPX7 waterproof without case, plus 131 feet with case. Comes with 2 batteries and remote. What users say: perfect for travel vloggers and underwater explorers. Viewers love the value and performance ratio. Number 4. GoPro HERO10 Black. The GoPro HERO10 Black is a beast. 5.3K video at 60 frames per second, 23MP stills, and hypersmooth 4.0 stabilization. It's the gold standard for content creators, thrill seekers, and YouTubers. Pros: high-res video at high frame rates equals buttery playback. Revolutionary stabilization for cinematic action shots. Faster interface and Wi-Fi transfer speed. Great for pro-level streaming and filming. What users say: loved by content creators for its clarity, speed, and professional finish. Considered one of the best action cameras ever made. Number 5. AKASO Brave 7. The AKASO Brave 7 offers excellent 4K performance and a waterproof build at a very accessible price. Whether you're biking through the mountains or vlogging a city tour, this camera can handle it all. Pros: built-in EIS 2.0 keeps motion smooth. IPX8 waterproof, up to 33 feet without housing. External mic compatible with voice control. Dual batteries included. What users say: users love the balance between affordability and quality. Great for beginners and casual creators. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. And there you have it, the 5 best 4K action cameras of 2025. Whether you're filming epic adventures or just capturing life's moments in stunning detail, these cameras deliver big performance at every price point. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for daily gear reviews. Stay sharp and keep creating.